How to change birthday on Snapchat not working. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix changing birthday on Snapchat not working. Now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat, go to your Snapchat like this. Go to your profile now. After you open profile, go to settings. From there, you can be able to see here is birthday. So tap on this. So from there, it says choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So tap on this section. If you tap on this, your actual birthday for now, it will give you this option. Here is month, here is day, and here is year. After you finish choosing all this information, tap on this continue button. So from there, you can tap on this OK. Now it will save your birthday. But if you come to this session now, after you tap on this session, it doesn't give you this option to change the birthday. That maybe you change your birthday like multiple times in a month or triple times in a month, because they limited the number of changing the birthday. That's why they give you this disclaimer. It says choose carefully. You can only change your birthday a limited number of times. So now you can just wait for some like a month or two to 3 weeks. Therefore, you can come to these steps and follow the step and try again. It will work for you. That's it, guys, on how to fix this problem. If you can't change birthday on Snapchat, please like and subscribe.